There are many Pruning Shears products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best pruning shears from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Durox Pruning Shears. Rating 4.5. Our ratchet pruning shears amplify your force, enhancing each cut with a mechanism that boosts power with every squeeze. Effortlessly handle branches up to 3/4 inch ch or 20 millimeters in diameter. Designed to multiply your hand's power, these pruners are perfect for seniors or anyone with limited hand strength, enabling tough pruning tasks without strain. Save money and reduce waste with our ratchet pruner's replaceable blade system. Just turn the pull ring to swap blades, no tools required. There's no need to replace the entire tool if the blade wears out. Replacement blades sold separately. Search replacement blade for DGR-01 pruner. Effortlessly trim both thick branches and delicate twigs. Utilize the blade tip for smaller twigs and the robust blade base for branches up to 3/4 inch or 20 millimeters in diameter. Our anvil pruning shears are crafted for a range of precise gardening tasks. Number 4. Resmo Pruning Shears. Rating 4.5. The Resmo pruning shears are forged from premium Japan alloy steel, which offers superior hardness and resilience compared to the standard SK5 steel found in many alternatives on the market. With a hardness rating of HRC 58 to 60, each blade undergoes vacuum heat treatment to ensure uniform hardness, toughness, and strength. This process results in a stable, long-lasting edge that maintains its precision. The garden shears are equipped with durable forged aluminum handles, designed for maximum strength and reliability. After a high-temperature forging process and die casting, the handles are manually polished to perfection. They have been rigorously tested to withstand over 100 kilograms of pressure without bending or breaking, ensuring they can handle tough gardening tasks. These robust handles make the Resmo shears a dependable, long-lasting tool for all your gardening needs. Number 3. Premium Bypass Pruning Shears. Rating 4.6. Cuts effortlessly. Equipped with high-quality SK5 carbon steel blades with superb sharpness and edge retention. These hand pruners can easily cut through stalks and branches up to 3/4 inch in diameter. Less strain on your hands. These garden shears are designed with non-slip and ergonomic handles. This makes using them much safer and more comfortable, perfect for long cutting and trimming sessions. Easy to operate. A compression spring allows the handles to snap back to the open position. These rose pruning shears also feature a safety lock that can be engaged and disengaged with one hand. Suitable for various flora. These heavy-duty pruning shears for gardening can be used on bonsais, flowering plants, shrubs, and herbs. They're also great for cutting stalks on vegetable and fruit trees. Number 2. D-Circ Pruning Shears. Rating 4.7. D-Circ pruning shears are crafted from SK5 steel and coated with a 3-layer titanium alloy for superior durability and corrosion resistance. Anodized aluminum handles and high-hardness fixing screws ensure superior strength, making D-Circ Secateur 5 times more durable than ordinary models while maintaining outstanding sharpness after 100,000 tests. Garden shears feature an innovative lever cutting design that triples the cutting force, making it effortless to prune thicker branches. Perfect for branches up to 1 inch in diameter, the lever mechanism enhances cutting power through an optimized structure, allowing you to handle thick, wet, or dry wood with ease. The ergonomically designed, non-slip rubber handles reduce hand fatigue and ensure a comfortable, stable grip. The cushion design minimizes wrist and hand strain, making these pruners ideal for long use and for those with arthritis or anyone needing extra comfort. Number 1. Nexen Garden Pruning Shears. Rating 4.8. Our pruning shears are made with German SK5 high-carbon steel and a Teflon coating for sharp, clean cuts. These heavy-duty garden shears resist rust and wear, making them reliable garden clippers for all pruning tasks. This set includes an 8-inch bypass pruner for thick branches and a 6.25 straight garden scissors for precision work. Perfect garden shears pruning set for trimming plants, flowers, and small branches. Essential hand pruners for every gardener. The micro-tip garden snips are designed for accuracy, allowing you to trim only the desired stems without harming nearby growth. Ideal pruning scissors for roses, bonsai, vegetables, and delicate plants. Our gardening shears feature a durable safety lock to prevent accidental openings, ensuring secure use during trimming. These garden pruners and gardening shears and scissors are built for comfort and safety. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.